To install window tints, first clean the window you're tinting with soapy water and scrape away any dust, lint, and adhesive on it with a razor blade. Then, take your sheet of lint and roll out a length bigger than your window. Cut the section off with a razor blade or precision knife. Next, spray the outside of your window with soapy water. Hold the tint up over the outside of the window with the adhesive side facing out. Don't take the cover off the adhesive yet. Now, press the tint onto the soapy window. Run a heat gun set to low heat over the bubbles and creases, and use the edge of a credit card to smooth out any bumpy sections. Once the tint is perfectly aligned with the window, use a razor blade or precision knife to carefully cut around the edges of your window. Remove any excess portions that overlap with the frame or trim of the window, and lift the tint off. Take the same tint and move it to the inside of the door. Clean the interior side of the window with soapy water and a razor blade so there's nothing on it that could interfere with the tint. Spray the inside of the window with soapy water one more time once you're done. Roll your window down 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, and hold your tint up against the corner of the window with the adhesive facing the window. Peel the top corner of the adhesive side off. Fit it against the window pane and press down a little. Raise the window up and remove the rest of the adhesive cover. Press the tint into the glass to fit the window, and use a heat gun and credit card to remove any bubbles or creases. Repeat this process on any other windows you want to tint in your vehicle.